Hey guys, welcome back. We are on top of sort of on top of a BMW X3 2020, and this is the rim for the sunroof. And this thing right here has a tendency to, it's hard to see. Anyway, there's a drain hole right here, and there's a tendency for it to plug up and end up depositing all the water inside the cabin. So what we're going to do today is going to show you how to troubleshoot this issue and resolve it. So what I'm going to do right now is I've taken a bottle of water and I'm going to put water down here into the rail and see if it'll drain. So I don't know if you could see, but the water is not draining very well. See, it's building up right here. Oh, it's coming down here. It's all right, it's already wet. All right, so see how the water ended up down there? So that's not supposed to happen. That happens because the conduit from the rail down to where it's supposed to go is plugged. So that's why right here, see, carpet's all wet. So let me show you how to resolve this problem. All right, we have a better vantage point from here. If you could see, the water is still kind of being held in the crevice right there, which is not supposed to. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some compressed air and blow it into the hole. So I was mistaken earlier. This is where the sunroof port is. So we just blew it out with some compressed air, and it runs down the A-pillar, and it actually ejects right here. So this is the exhaust for the sunroof drain. It's not under the hood like the other models, the older models. So this is a 2020. If you have one of these, this is where it's supposed to come out. So I'm gonna do another quick illustration of how it works. All right, just to show you what a little hole a congested sunroof can do. So this was completely soaking wet yesterday, and this apparently behind the passenger seat under the air vent right there, apparently that's a low spot in the car. So we just vacuumed it, and this is probably our 4th run, and this thing holds, I think, you know, a little under 2 gallons. And just want to show you like how much water we just vacuumed out. Well, you could see from there. Okay. Yeah. So, you know, if you're running into problems like this, it's pretty terrible design. It was kind of done in by a leaf about this size, you know. So hopefully a BMW will fix this. But you know, if you're running this problem, I hope this helps you. All right, good luck. Yeah. It's fixed. I just took out 3 gallons of water. So as a continuation of the sunroof repair, congestion repair, once everything's done, what you'll have to do is you'll have to come down to this bottom passenger side and you'll have to remove the trim piece, this kick plate trim piece, and this cover plate for the A pillar, right under the A pillar. And you have to do that because we've already taken out gallons upon gallons of water, right? I'm going to show you what's underneath. So we're going to lift the carpet. Oh, I need 2 hands for this. I want you to take a look. Look at how much water is under there. So you're not going to get that out with a dehydrator, so we have to use a vacuum. A wet and dry vac. Alright. I went and got one of these nozzles so that way we could stick further down into the crevice. This is kind of why water damage is so hard to fix in cars, because there's so many nook and cranny that water can kind of seep into and hide, you know?